3. The Microbalance EC3 products for environmental cleaning. Microbalance Health products offer several tools designed to help reduce mold and particulate load on surfaces and in the air. These are not medical treatments, but they are commonly used for environmental cleaning. EC3 Mold Spray, a botanical fragrance-free spray used on hard and soft surfaces. Many people use it on furniture, bedding, carpets, and personal items that cannot be washed easily. EC3 Laundry Additive, added to wash cycles to help reduce mold and musty odors on clothing, towels, and linens. I do not travel without this. I put it in a smaller bottle and I bring it everywhere because you just never know where you're going. And what I love about their products is that often I can just take it with me or bring it in the car, wherever. Next, EC3 air purification candles. These are soy-based candles infused with citrus seed extracts. They're used to help reduce airborne particles in smaller indoor spaces. These are all over my home. In every single room, there's at least two, and I just love them so much. And then last but not least, these EC3 wipes. They're great for on-the-go cleaning, and to keep in your car. I keep it in my car to wipe things down when you're away from home. Not only are they effective, but they work to lower mold counts and improve the health of your indoor surfaces spaces without harsh chemicals, perfumes, or fumes. I really, really, really love these wipes. These products are often used as a part of a broader environmental cleaning routine, especially after remediation or when maintaining a cleaner indoor environment, or if it's in the interim and we just want to reduce um, mold spore count, I recommend using these products. Something is always better than nothing. Hello, my name is Christina Consalvos, and I am a licensed integrative psychotherapist who understands how mold can impact mental health.